Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the obvious technical prerequisites. Your phone must support 5G and the SIM must be provisioned for it. Once done, make sure your carrier plan includes 5G access. Otherwise, the SIM remains limited to 4G. Next, update carrier settings and install any available SIM profile so the network recognizes the card as 5G enabled. Doing these checks first avoids wasted steps. They ensure your device and account can negotiate a 5G connection when you switch modes. Now you activate 5G in the device. Insert the SIM into the primary slot labeled for higher speed bands if your phone has 2 SIM slots. Then go to Mobile Network Settings and select 5G/4G/3G auto mode so the phone can prefer 5G when available. Restart the phone after applying any pending firmware or carrier updates to refresh network registration. Doing this lets the handset renegotiate with cell towers and pick up 5G bands that your SIM and plan allow. Finish by verifying you actually hit 5G. Watch the status icon and run a quick speed test to confirm higher throughput. If you still see 4G, reset APN or network settings and reboot. This clears old profiles that force 4G. If that fails, contact your carrier to explicitly provision or replace the SIM. Some older SIMs need reissue to enable 5G on the account. A key tip: if toggling modes and updates do not work, ask the carrier to push a new SIM profile before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.